What's going on, you guys? Marvin Francois here, and today I'm going to be answering a question I literally get 15, 20, 100 times a day, and I'm super excited to finally be clearing it up right now on this YouTube video. That question being, Marv, is the Credit Karma score fake? Is it a fraud? Is it a phony? What should I believe, Marv? What's the situation with this Credit Karma score? Have no fear, because right now on this video, I'm getting ready to debunk the myth and answer it once and for all. But listen, before I do that, y'all already know the drill. Take a second out of your day right here, right now, to slap that like button and show this video some love. It really does help a lot with the YouTube algorithm in terms of pushing a video out there. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Is your Credit Karma score right? Well, no, it's not. It's actually left. Hey, listen, Madison Square Garden, y'all have been an amazing audience. My name is Kevin Hart. God bless all of y'all. Have an amazing night. But in all seriousness, no, your Credit Karma score is actually not incorrect. The reason why your Credit Karma score is usually a whole lot different than what it is on Experian is because Credit Karma and Experian use two completely different scoring systems, one of which most people actually don't even know about. So the credit scoring system that Credit Karma uses was actually created by the three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, back in 2006, and it's called the Vantage scoring system. Now, the Vantage and the FICO have several differences between the two, which is usually why your Vantage score is so much different than your FICO score. When it comes to late payments, right? With the FICO scoring system, late payments have an equal effect across the board, no matter what the account. So it doesn't matter if you're getting a late payment from a mortgage or a credit card or a auto loan. A late payment is a late payment, and it will negatively affect your credit report regardless of where it's coming from. Whereas with the Vantage scoring system, late payments that come from mortgages have a more severe effect against your credit score than late payments that would come from any other account like a credit card or a auto loan. Now, once again, that's not to say that when it comes to Vantage, late payments don't affect your credit score. They do, and they affect it negatively. However, they don't affect it as much as a late payment that comes from a mortgage account. Another thing that differs FICO from Vantage is how many components go into your overall score. So when it comes to FICO, there are 5 main components that make up your score. Those components are payment history, amount owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit accounts, right? However, when it comes to the Vantage scoring system, they look at 6 components to determine what your score is. Those components being payment history, age and credit type, total balances in debt, credit utilization, recent credit inquiries, and available credit. So understand that your FICO score and your Vantage score are 2 completely different things, which is why you usually have 2 completely different scores between the two. However, you should be focused on your FICO score because the FICO scoring system is what over 90% of most lenders use to determine your credit worthiness, which is why most people focus on it. Now, if you want to get your FICO score for all 3 bureaus, there are 2 different things that you could do. The first method being, you can do the same thing that you did for Experian, which is you can go to the bureau's websites directly and get your credit report from them, where your FICO score will be reporting. So you can go to transunion.com, get your TransUnion report, it'll have your FICO score. Then you can head over to Equifax.com, get your Equifax report, it'll have your FICO score. Or you can go to annualcreditreport.com. That is annualcreditreport.com. I'll even leave a link in the description. You go to that website, one by one, it will allow you to get access to your free, yes, 100% free credit report, so you can see your FICO score across all 3 bureaus. But ladies and gentlemen, I sincerely do hope this video has helped clear up any confusion that you may have had about the Credit Karma myth. And as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. And if you haven't already, take a second, take a minute, take an hour, however much time you need, take it right now to slap that like button if you haven't already, and show this video some love. Remember, new videos each and every single Tuesday and Friday, where I'm dropping jewels, fire, and game on each and every single one of y'all. As always, once again, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm Marvin Francois. Y'all have been good. I've been great. This has been amazing. And as always, God bless.